Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. This is my 10th and final installment to my barrel making video series. In this video, we're going to define the lid. After that, we're going to remove it from the lathe and we're going to wrap up this barrel making video series. So let's get started. I'm going to use the EasyWood tool, 1/8 inch carbide, and leave a little lip. Was able to cut the back of the stave and the angle or the bevel on the lid. At this point we want to slow it down and we're going to take our pencil and we're going to define that little lip in there like we did with the bands. And then we also want to color the back side of the staves with the lid. And that gives us the back side of the staves and the bevel of the lid. From this point, we're going to reposition everything. We'll just put this in real fast motion. Now we're going to take the skew just want to work on this nub. This is where the EasyWood tool comes back into play. Yes. We got a nice gap and we still have maintained the bevel, the pencil line. Even though we were just slightly off center, it happens. The lid is good and flat and these edges are consistent. Now from this point I'm actually going to raise the tool rest a little, I don't know, 1/4 inch above center and move it back a little bit. The trick here is to turn the grain so that it is parallel to the stave lines you're going to put in. So once you lock it in, and they're just random, flip it over, try to eyeball the line with your fence. And once you have that locked in, start finishing up the other side. And that are your stave lines on the lid. So take your same finish and I'm just going to shoot a little bit here. There. And that takes care of the top of the barrel. Only thing left, taking it off the lathe. Finished barrel. There it is. You can have it as a bottle stopper or just sit them around. Just sit them around as conversation pieces. Well, this concludes my barrel making video series. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I'm Jim Ballard. See ya.